Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities for Friday, November 21st, 2025. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes all rose today. The S&P 500 index ended at 6,603.80, gaining 65.4 points. The Dow 30 index finished up 493.15 points at 46,245.40. Nasdaq Composite climbed 195.3 points to close at 22,273.8. While gains were seen broadly, all indexes showed mixed trends and recent downward volatility. Market breadth was overwhelmingly positive today across key indexes. The S&P 500 index and the Russell 2000 index saw over 85% advances. The Dow 30 index showed substantial positive sentiment with 25 advances versus 5 declines. Advances dominated overall, despite longer-term mixed trends. Focusing on returns, the Russell 2000 index led gains today, while the week showed slight negative trends across all major indexes. Year-to-date, Nasdaq Composite achieved over a 15% return, highlighting its strength amid recent downward volatility. In sector performance, communication services and healthcare surged with a 2.1% increase, marking a new one-year high for healthcare. Real estate saw a positive movement, but had a very strong negative trend overall. Despite positive closes, the technology and utilities sectors saw minimal gains, capturing mixed trends with notable downward volatility. The downward movement slightly overshadowed today's minor upticks. Global markets showed strong momentum. Ireland and Philippines led the pack, climbing more than 2.8%. Ireland and Philippines showed significant year-to-date returns of 17.38% and 0.12%, respectively, leading the international ETFs. In contrast, Japan has shown a 20.99% year-to-date return despite recent weeks' losses, reflecting robust long-term performance. The tech stars showcased varying trends today. Apple finished at 271.49, rising 5.24, showing a strong upward momentum. Alphabet hit a new all-time high close at 299.65, advancing 9.67 with strong upward volatility. Amazon closed up 3.55 to 220.69, while its trend remains negative. Meta Platforms rose 5.10, but has been flat for 3 days, maintaining a strong downward trend. Meanwhile, NVIDIA dipped 1.76 to 178.88, showing mixed negative trends with some downward volatility.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Starting with Bitcoin, which is currently at 85,022, down by 1,514.88 as it heads down for the third day in a row, experiencing a very strong negative trend and strong downward volatility. Similarly, Ethereum is at 2,763.20, dropping by 67.39 with a strong negative trend and some downward volatility over 3 days. With continued declines across the board, Bitcoin shows a weekly total return of negative 9.73% and a monthly decline of 22.39%. Ethereum similarly reflects negative returns for the week and month at 10.64 and 28.15%, respectively. Despite the bearish trends, BNB actually shows a year-to-date positive return of 18.24%.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is showing a mixed performance against major currencies. Against the euro, it is currently up, trading at 0.8682, marking a 7-day rise with a very strong positive trend. Conversely, it's down at 0.7632 against the British pound, despite a positive long-term trend. The yen sees the dollar fall to 156.4480, reflecting strong upward volatility today. Meanwhile, it gains against the Swiss franc, currently at 0.8081, continuing a 7-day rise with strong momentum. The US dollar declines to 1.5481 against the Australian dollar, maintaining strong volatility over the past 5 days.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts, Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.